Good morning, friend. Now today we want to start new topic, that is sum of n numbers. So when sum of first n number of an arithmetic progressive is, sum symbol is s. So we have to write as n means number, n by 2 twice a means initial term. So already formula is there, just we have to identify what is s, what is a. A means initial term, D means difference, n means number of term. So if one series, we can also write at here 5 arithmetic progression, 10, 15 and then 3 dot, and find the 25th term. Find sum of 25 term. So sum of 25 term, if we want to do sum of 25 term, so here n is equal to 25, a is also 5 and d is also 5. So what we have to put, s25 is equal to n by 2, 25 by 2, 2 into a, 2 into a means 5, plus n minus 1, that is 25 minus 1, d means 5. So 25 by 2, 5 2s are 10, 25 minus 1, that is 24, into 5, that is 25 by 2, 10 plus 25, 24 5s are 120. So 120 plus 10, that is 130. Now if I divide it by 2, we can get 65. So 25 into 65, we can get answer, that is 25 multiplied by 65, we can get answer. So 25 into, if we do roughly calculation, that 25 into 10, that is 650, again 10, 650, because 2 times 20 and 5 means half, so 325. Now if I will add this, we can get answer in 16. So 1625, that is the answer of Sn. So here one formula that we have to remember it, you have to write it 5 times. You have to write 5 times this formula. Now one another formula related this topic, that is sum of, we can find out by this formula or this formula. If Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l, means last term is given, if we can say that 10, 20, 30 and up to 400. Now if I want to add this, अगर आने plus करवू होय, तो we have a last term is at L and first term is also there. So Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus L. આની અંદર શું, L means last term. So when last term is given, we can use this formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1d. By using this, we can find out n. N is equal to n minus A by d plus 1. So n is equal to an minus a. So 400 minus 10 divided by 10, because difference is 10 plus 1. So n is equal to 400 minus 10, that is 390, divided by 10, that is cut, plus 1. So n is equal to 40. Now we can directly, using this formula, we can find out Sn. S 40, sum of 40 term. So 40 by 2. A means 10. Last term means 400. So here if you cut it, that is 20. So 20 and 400 plus 10, 410. So if we calculate it, 8200. So sum of 10, 20, 30 up to 400. If we want to add the and plus કરવામાં આવે તો total કેટલું થશે? 8200. So two important formula related with the sum of n term. Now if sum is given, difference of two sum is given, and if we want to find out the term, then one important formula related it. N is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Means sum of two term is given, that is if I will get S3 and S4, then we can find out A3. We can find out A3 by using this formula. Now one sum, example sum is there here. Amount of the money in rupees in a money box of Sasikala's daughter first, second, third and fourth birthday are 100, 150, 200, 250. બર્થડે ઉપર શું કર્યું છે શશિકલાએ? પોતાના બર્થડે ઉપર 100 રૂપીસ ફર્સ્ટ બર્થડે ઉપર, સેકન્ડ ઉપર 150, થર્ડમાં 200, ફોર્થમાં 250, અપ ટુ ધ રિસ્પેક્ટિવલી કેટલા એને કર્યા હતા 21st બર્થડે સુધી. તો એની પાસે ટોટલ કલેક્શન કેટલું થયું હોય? તો how, which formula we have to use? Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d. So 21 birthday are there, so 21 by 2. Initial 100 rupees થી start કર્યું હતું એટલે 100. n minus 1, so 21 minus 1. And difference is 100 and 150. So difference is D is equal to 150 minus 100, that is 50. So here it is 50. So 21 by 2, 200, 21 minus 1, that is 20, 20 into 50. So 200 plus 1000 and 21 by 2. So 1000 plus 200, that is 1200, divided by 2 into 21. So here it is 600. 21 6 are 126 and 2 0. So એટલા રૂપીસ એને કલેક્ટ કરી લીધા હોય. So answer is 12660. So these are all the example, and again according to the board rules, board na pramane exercise 5.3 example 11, 13 and 14 we have to do, and 5.3 1 to 12 question we have to do. So now we have to start exercise 5.3. So first of all we have to understand the example 11 by using this formula. Sum of first 22 terms. This formula is also important. Sum of first 22 term. So A is 8, D is 3. D, what is the D? Difference between 2. D means difference between two terms. That is 3 minus 8. That is minus 5 consecutive. So if we put here at here, S is equal to 22 by 2. 2 into A, that is 8. Plus n minus 1, 22 minus 1. And D is minus 5. And if we simplify it, 11, here 16, here 22 minus 1, that is 21, 21 5 are 105. Now we can get answer negative, because 16 minus 105, that is minus 89. 11 into minus 89, we can get minus 979. So now we have to start exercise 5.3 and question number 1 and 2 we have to do. So what is our target? That we have to do all sum compulsory up to 1 to 12. Then we have to start exercise. So here we have to start. Question number 1. Find the sum of the following arithmetic progression. Find the sum of the following arithmetic progression. So 2, 7, 12, dash, 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 up to 10 terms. 2, 7, 12 to 10 terms. So what we have to do? First of all, we have to write A, that is 2. D, that is 7 minus 2, that is 5. And N is equal to 10. Now we have to put formula. S is equal to formula. First we have to write formula here. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Now n by 2, that is 10 by 2. 2 into a, that is 2 into 2. N minus 1, that is 10 minus 1. And d, that is 5. Now we can solve this. So cut karsu to 5. 2 into 2, that is 4. 10 minus 1, that is 9. 9 5s are 45. So 5 into 49, that is 2. 9 5s are 45. 4, 245. So these are all the easy sums. Just we have to see what, again I am explain what we have to do. Find the sum of the following AP. 2, 7, 12, dash, 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 to 10 terms, up to 10 terms. So what we have to write? N is equal to 10. That is given. So if you write the given, you can get also half marks. So 2 marks male. A is equal to 2. Difference 7 minus 2, that is 5. N is equal to 10. By using S, we can find out 10 by 2. 2 into 2 plus applying formula, we can get 245. So how many sums are there total? If you will see how many sums are there total, 4 sums are there. Out of 4, 2. So maybe possible I have to do this first and third. This you have to do it yourself. So now for third sum. Again third sum. Question number 1. So A is equal to 0.6. D is equal to 1.7 minus 0.6. That is 1.1. D is equal to 1.1. A is equal to 0.6. And N is equal to 100. N is equal to 100. Now by applying formula, S is equal to 100 by 2. 2a, 2 into a, plus S is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So now n minus 1, that is 100 minus 1. into 1.1. So S is equal to 50. Here 1.2. Now here 1.1, 100 minus 1, that is 99. 99 into 1.1. So S is equal to 199 into, so 99 into 11. Again 9, again 9, again 9, again 9. So 9, 9 to the 18, 1. 1089 divided by 10. So 50 into 1.2 plus 1089.9. So 1.2, 108.9. We have to add this. So S is equal to 50 into 110.1. So 5 into 1101. So 5505. That is sum of 100 term. Sum of 100 term. So two sums I have completed, that is of question number 1. Now question number 2, again two sums are there. But if you will see, in question number 2, n is not given. When n is not given, what we have to do that is important. Question number 2. Again, so here n is not given, but last term is given. So question number 2, first term, what is given, that we have to write first. That is A is given 7. D 10, 1 integer 2 minus 7. So D is equal to 10 to the 20 plus 1, 20, 1 by 2 minus 7. 7 to the 14. So 21 minus 14 divided by 2. That is 7 by 2. So D is equal to 7 by 2. D is equal to 7 by 2. A is equal to 7. But N is not given. So how we can find out N? Because last term is given, that is AN. When AN is given, AN is equal to 84. Then to find out N, N is equal to AN minus A by D plus 1. So N is equal to AN given, that is 84. A, that is given 7. Difference we have get 7 by 2 plus 1. Therefore N is equal to 84 minus 7, that is 77, into 2 divided by 7 plus 1. Denominator no 2 है ना, numerator upon denominator नहीं denominator, that is equal to numerator. So 7 11 ja 11 2 ja 22 plus 1, that is N is equal to 23. Now which formula we have to use? S is equal to N by 2 A plus L, because last term we have no, that is L. So S is equal to 23 by 2. A, that is first term, that is 7. Last term, that is given 84. So 21 into 92. Because last term is 84 and here it is 7. So 84 and 7. So 91 divided by 2. So 23 multiplied by 91 divided by 2. So what we have to do? 23 multiplied by 91. And then we have to divide it by 2. We can get answer sum of how many terms? 23 terms. One more sum we have to do, because in each question we have to do at least 2 sum, because 4 sums are given. One more sum here, question number 2, example section 2. So here it is AN. an is equal to 10, a is equal to 34, and d is equal to 34 minus 32 minus 34, that is minus 2. Now n is equal to an minus a by d plus 1. So 10 minus 34 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So minus 24 divided by minus 2 plus 1, that is cancel the 12 plus 1. So n is equal to 13. Now we have to directly put s is equal to n by 2 a plus l. So n, that is 13 by 2. First term, that is 34. Last term, that is l, 10. So 13 by 2, 34 plus 10, that is 44. Cut kar the 22. So 13 multiplied by 22. We can get answer. So 13 into 22. So 22 into 13 we have to do. 6, 6, 2 and 2. So 6, 8, 286 or 286. So now we can also do this sum. So exercise 5.2 you have to do start homework. So exercise 5.1 you have to complete now. Exercise 5.2 you also have to complete, and exercise 5.3 question number 1 and 2 you have to complete. So that is sufficient for today's lecture. 2 sums already, question 2 we have to complete it, up to 12 we have to go.